This is Jonathan with Gutter Guards Direct. Today we're at a home in Springboro, Ohio, where we are giving them an estimate. So I actually haven't done this job yet, but I did see something a little funky when I was looking up in the sky at these gutters, and I thought I'd get out my ladder and take a quick look at what was going on. And as you can see behind me there are a bunch of leaves and debris and moss and what have you that has grown on this gutter guard system. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's happening here. I came out to this home to give them a quote for gutter guards. The couple that live here just moved in September, so they've only been here for a handful of months. Their impression was that they didn't have a gutter guard up here, but when I looked up towards the gutter, I saw this little lip right here, which didn't make much sense because it made this whole outside lip of the gutter seem taller than normal. So as I figured there might be a gutter guard, I was able to step back on the hill over there and see that possibly there's a gutter guard up here. I don't know what this is, honestly. It's just a perforated aluminum system with so I'm not sure what that profile is, but there's a big stair step here at the front of it, and you can see all the leaves that have gotten stuck up here and the moss that is up here as well. Extensive amount of moss that has grown on this system, and the issue is worse at this end, but there's still leaves and debris sitting on top of it at that far end there. The reason it's worse here is because there's a big maple tree right there, probably in the next door neighbor's lot, that's just kind of hanging over this area here. But the gutter guard actually looks to me like it's tilted backwards, which is not a good thing. And it also looks to me like there'd be no way to really secure it. Oh, actually, this must be the white version of, wait a minute. It looks like leaf relief that's up here because it's got a rubber gasket on the back side of it, but it is leaning backwards. So that's why you get the stuff that sits up there. People ask all the time, well, it doesn't really matter what I have up there, and obviously there's a good example of it does really matter what you have up there, because if you had a system up there that was, say, up under the first course of shingles, had an opportunity to push the leaves and debris away and not sit on top of the gutter guard system, you'd be much better off. If you live in the Springboro or Greater Dayton area and you're looking for gutters and gutter guards on your home, be sure to give us a call at Gutter Guards Direct. Our number is 937-660-3646, 937-660-3646.